instead. Four little monkeys dancing on the floor. One slipped and fell, oh no, once more. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, slow down now, no need for speed. Three little monkeys dancing with delight. One got dizzy, held on tight. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, take a break and rest your head. Two little monkeys having so much fun. One sat down, now there was one. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, time to rest just like you should. One little monkey tired from the play yawned and stretched, called it a day. Mama smiled softly, kissed his head. Sweet dreams now, my sleepy head. Thanks you for watching, and hope you seen the soul.